Robert, Victor 3, come out, should be white sedan
Jefferson, they're really making a strong run here with just 6 minutes to go in the fourth quarter. With the excitement and celebration at Ripper Nation, they can pull out this win tonight. Rosen over to Johnson inside the gate.
Code 30 Ringer located at 421 South Alameda.
Balance taken off the rim by Griffin. He'll break it up toward himself.
Reports of shots fired at Code 30.
Looks back to Griffin over the top. Griffin working on Johnson, driving left, now right. Johnson goes up strong.
Come on.
Unit 5, what's your 20?
We're approximately 2 minutes from that location.
Come up big against a lesser opponent, but shows just how hard it is to go out there every night and perform at that level. That's why.
Come on, man. What the hell are you?
20 of a shot clock. Boyd will bring the ball in.
Come on.
Right into play. No, Griffin was under the basket.
Come on.
Moment, but Boyd didn't see him and missed the opportunity.
Come on, get in. Go.